Transform your gardening from a chore to a joy with ergonomic comfort. To keep your green thumbs happy, start with a rolling garden cart. It's your movable seat, protecting your knees from hard ground and your clothes from dirt. Incorporate kneelers or knee pads into your routine to cushion your joints as you plant and weed. Your knees will thank you. And don't forget to stand up, stretch out, and give your body a break. Tend to your lower back with gentle twists, relieve your neck with side tilts, and shake out your arms to keep the blood flowing. Gardening is a dance of nurturing and growth, not just for your plants, but for your own well-being. Embrace these tools and tips to make it a pain-free experience.